What if I told you that 80% of cars on the road today could feel brand new again, smoother, stronger, and more efficient, without ever stepping foot in a shop? Here's the part that should make your stomach drop. One dirty, overlooked component is quietly costing thousands of drivers hundreds of dollars in unnecessary repairs every single month. I'm about to show you 15 battle-tested tricks that real mechanics use on their own cars. These are simple, cheap, and insanely effective. Stick around until the end. The final one has saved people from $1,500 plus repair bills more times than I can count. Let's dive in. Hack number 15, the fuel filter fix. Your car feels flat, hesitates when you mash the gas, and your fuel gauge is dropping faster than it should. Sound familiar? Here's exactly what to do. Pull the fuel pump fuse or relay, check your manual for the exact one, crank the engine until it stalls and the pressure drops. Now crawl under the car or pop the hood and find the fuel filter. It's usually along the fuel line or near the firewall. Release the clips or banjo bolts, swap in the new filter, paying strict attention to the flow arrow, and tighten everything down. Pop the fuse back in, turn the key to on for 10-15 seconds to prime the system, then fire it up. This whole job runs $15.45 in parts and takes 25-40 minutes. Do it every 30,000-40,000 miles and you'll feel the difference immediately. Hack number 14, the WD-40 gas cap cure. Check engine light on, rough idle. Before you waste money on diagnostics, check this first. Pop your fuel door, grab a can of WD-40 and a microfiber cloth. Spray the cloth, never directly into the filler neck. Thoroughly wipe the rubber seal on the gas cap and clean the inside of the filler neck where the cap seats. That seal is what maintains proper system pressure. Put it back on until it clicks 3 times, done in under 2 minutes. What most people don't realize is a failing gas cap seal is one of the top 3 reasons for random check engine lights. It throws the air-fuel ratio off and sends your ECU into panic mode. Mechanics love this one because it leads to $150-250 diagnostic fees for a $12 fix. Pro tip, while you're there, make sure you're using the correct cap for your vehicle, vented or non-vented. Grab your owner's manual and double-check. Wrong cap equals pressure or vacuum issues. Hack number 13, the quality fuel and octane truth. You've probably been buying premium fuel for years thinking you're treating your engine right. Most of the time, you're just burning cash. Unless your manual explicitly says premium fuel required, regular is perfectly fine. Octane is about knock resistance, not cleaning power or performance for most engines. Premium and regular usually have the same detergent packages. Running premium in a regular engine gives you zero benefit. Running regular in a true high-compression engine that requires premium can cause detonation that hammers pistons and rods over time. Check your manual carefully. Recommended and required are very different. Switching to regular on a recommended car can save you $250-450 a year with zero downside. That's money the oil companies hope you never notice. Hack number 12, monthly fuel injector treatment. Rough idle, lazy throttle, and terrible gas mileage. Don't let the shop quote you $250 for a professional service yet. Pick up a quality bottle of injector cleaner. Seafoam, Techron, or BG44K are excellent. Pour the whole bottle into a nearly empty tank, fill up with fresh fuel, and drive it normally, preferably mixing in some highway miles. Do this every 3,000-4,000 miles as maintenance, and your injectors will stay clean and spraying perfectly. Modern direct injection engines are especially prone to carbon buildup because fuel never washes the intake valves. Shops use the same chemicals you can buy, they just charge 10x more and call it a service. Skip their version and keep your injectors happy for pennies. Hack number 11, baking soda battery terminal saver. Slow cranking, flickering lights, weird electrical gremlins. Before you buy a new battery, look for white or blue crusty buildup on the terminals. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with a cup of water. Disconnect the battery negative first, pour the solution over the terminals and let it fizz. Scrub with an old toothbrush, rinse with clean water and dry everything thoroughly. reconnect positive first. Then smear a light coat of dielectric grease or petroleum jelly on the terminals to keep corrosion away for months. This isn't a dying battery, it's normal acid vapor doing its thing. Mechanics use that white crust as a perfect visual to upsell batteries. Your $1 box of baking soda just killed one of their easiest profits. Hack number 10, the radiator flush trick. Temperature creeping up or that weird gurgling sound on startup, it's time for a flush. Most cars need this every 30,000 60,000 miles depending on coolant type. Always use exactly what your manual specifies. Mixing green and orange coolants creates sludge that destroys cooling systems. Use distilled water only. Flushing on schedule prevents the silent loss of corrosion inhibitors that happens long before the coolant looks bad. Ignore it long enough and you're looking at warped heads or blown gaskets. Easily $1,800+ in repairs. A $25 jug of premixed coolant in an afternoon beats the shop's $180 250 flush every time. Hack number 9, the baby powder serpentine belt trick. High-pitched squeal especially on cold starts. With the engine off, locate the serpentine belt and sprinkle baby powder liberally over it while hand-turning the belt to coat all sides. Fire it up. The squeal usually disappears instantly. Most squeals come from minor glazing, moisture, or slight misalignment, not a worn-out belt. If the powder only lasts a few days, then you know it's time for a real inspection. This 60-second test separates the sales pitch from the actual problem. Before we get to the heavy hitters, if you're learning something here, hit that like button. It really helps more drivers discover these money-saving tricks. Hack number 8, power steering fluid change. Steering feels heavy or you hear whining when turning. Check the reservoir. If the fluid is dark, burnt, or foamy, it's shot. Use a turkey baster to suck out the old stuff, refill with the correct fluid, turn the wheel lock-to-lock a few times, and repeat until it runs clean. Degraded fluid destroys pumps. Most shops jump straight to a $400 700 pump replacement without ever checking the fluid. Fresh fluid for $12 and 20 minutes fixes the majority of these complaints. Hack number 7, clean the PCV valve. Burning oil or small leaks around the valve cover. The PCV valve is cheap insurance. Pull it, shake it. If it doesn't rattle, it's clogged. Spray it with carb cleaner, scrub, dry, and reinstall. Takes 5 minutes. A stuck PCV builds crankcase pressure that pushes oil past seals. Cleaning it often stops mysterious oil consumption and prevents expensive gasket jobs. Hack number 6, WD-40 engine bay clean. Engine bay looks like a crime scene. With the engine cold, cover the air intake and battery, then spray WD-40 liberally over everything. Let it sit, agitate with a brush, and wipe clean. A clean engine bay lets you spot new leaks instantly and protects against corrosion. Detailers charge big money for what you can do in your driveway. Hack number 5, carbon cleanup and walnut blasting. Persistent rough idle and power loss despite other cleanings. For mild buildup, use a strong fuel additive and drive hard. For direct injection engines, walnut blasting is the gold standard. It safely removes carbon from intake valves like nothing else. Expect $350 $550 at a good indie shop, but the transformation in smoothness and response feels like getting a different car. Hack number 4, the reset car pedal trick. Rough idle after battery disconnect or throttle cleaning. Engine off, press the gas pedal to the floor and hold for 30 seconds. Release, turn key to on, don't start for 10 seconds, then start and let it idle untouched for 2-3 minutes. This lets the ECU relearn idle and throttle position. Free fix that dealers love to charge for. Hack number 3, clean the EGR valve. EGR codes or rough idle. Remove the valve, spray with dedicated cleaner, scrub the carbon, and reinstall. Most bad EGR valves are just dirty. A $8 cleaner beats a $400 replacement every time. Hack number 2, top up your coolant. Gauge running high or weak heat. Engine stone cold, check the reservoir and top up with the correct 50-50 mix. Consistent low levels scream a leak you need to find before it becomes a disaster. Hack number 1, replace old and worn components. After all the cleaning and fluids, sometimes you just need fresh wear items. Spark plugs, coils, belts, hoses, and battery, these are the parts that quietly rob performance. Replace them on schedule and your engine will feel strong again at 150,000 plus miles. AT 205 Reseal is also excellent for small leaks. It conditions seals from the inside. There you have it, 15 powerful ways to keep your car running strong without getting ripped off. Which of these hacks surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this video saves you money, smash subscribe and turn on notifications. Your wallet and your car will thank you. Now go try one of these this weekend and tell me how it went. See you in the next one.